Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is just an unboxing. I hope you are all doing well. This is for Pink Parcel, and Pink Parcel is a period box. It mainly caters for I'd say for probably 20-year-olds and upwards. They do have a Betty box which is for the teenagers and all of that sort of thing. So this is £12.99 a month. And you usually get a good selection of pads. They cater for heavy right down to low. They have loads of selection on their webpage. I normally pick the nighttime ones, which is the best for me because that is just, I do have a heavy period, and so I get the nighttime ones. And you can also choose the tampons as well, and they have all the range in them. So from light to heavy, they have a good range in those. And the one thing is that I find that's useful with this is you can set it like to come on the 1st of the month, the 15th of the month. You can pick your day on when you know that your period is going to start. Or if you want to get it a week beforehand, you can actually just put on what date you want this delivered, and it's fantastic for that. So yep, so here we go, we're going to unbox. I'm sure that this is November, and that is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to unbox it like so. Oh, pull it across there like that, and there we go. So we will see like a range of pads. I'm just going to show you. Oh, we've got leaflets that's falling out. Right, so this is like Pink Parcel Post as well, and also on Pink Parcel you also get a tea bag. I'm just going to pick up the card that's dropped out, and it's so advertising the Betty box. Now Betty box is more like for teenagers. It says Betty box contains everything for your daughter, younger sister, niece needs to get through the first years of their period, such as all her period essentials, plus over £35 worth of beauty skincare treats delivered discreetly to her door every month. She'll love Betty Box. Treat her to the first box for just £7.99, and you just use the code. I was going to say code. No, it's code. Code is first Betty. So that is like ideal if you have a girl that's just starting out with a period. Look at that, it's really good. I like the fact that they incorporate the skincare, makeup and everything to make you feel better on that, you know, the time of the month when you feel like, oh, I could just not get out of bed. That's what you feel like. But when you get this, it just like gives you a little spring, a little bit of happiness, and that's what it does. So, and okay, so now we're just going to go onto the Pink Parcel Post, and I'm showing you this upside down. And so this is the November box. So it says, welcome to After Dark Edition. In November's After Dark Edition, we're treating you to desk to date makeup plus skincare game changers to help you prep for the party season. Yes, party season. That's what we want to hear. People having fun and enjoying the fireworks and all the Christmas stuff that's going to go on. So this month's curation features a total of 7 products, 3 of which are full size. Achieve a selfie ready finish with the cult sheet mask designed by Insta icon Olivia Buckland that preps skin for flawless base. Then master the art of the smoky eye with the Technic eyeliner pencil. Pretty party season is also the perfect time to stock up on skincare like Balance Me. Right, sorry for that little interruption there, but we were looking at this, which is the November Pink Parcel Post, and I'd read that bit. So, okay, so we're going to just have a look at this. So this is like bright and hydrate. I think that we will have a look at the box, because so this is like you always get a for you box, and that's got like it'll have the pads in it probably. No, that has the goodies in it for you box. So it's been a while since I've unboxed a pink parcel. I think it's about 2 months ago since I did it. You always get a nice bag as well, and these are always changing the bag designs. And so this one is, it says on it, I'm sure it says self-love. Oh wow, that is a really nice bag. I do like it, and it's just also inside of it is already packed, ready to go in your handbag. And something's just going like funny on my camera. I don't know why it is. And so that is that. Right, okay, so we're gonna have a look at these boxes, because you get a for nighttime. That's all your nighttime pads in there, so you get loads of them. And I will see, I ordered the body foam ones. You get the body foam ones, so you can choose always ones. They're always the top brand ones, so you know they're going to work perfectly. The good branded ones, and they work perfectly. I would recommend them to anybody. And they are expensive to buy in the shops as well. Like, you pay £2.99 just for a packet of those. So this is also, you get extra pads as well. This is for later. You get loads and loads of pads. That's one thing about Pink Parcel. You get loads of pads. And also you get like panty liners as well. So like, if you want to use those, if you're just light, and you get panty liners. So pretty good. Right, but this is the box that everybody wants to get their hands on. This is the most important box of Pink Parcel. So here it is, November Pink Parcel. So what have we got? I'm hoping to see some chocolate in here, or a tea bag. Wow, that is it. Do you see it? Right, okay, so the first thing we got is the Skin Purity. Well, I will show you it. There it is, can you see it? Skin Purity. So this is the Dr. Stewart's Extraordinary Good Teas. Oh, it is a tea. I told you I was going to tea. So it says use 1 bag for a cup or 2 for a large mug. Pour on freshly boiled water and allow to leave to brew for a good 4 to 5 minutes. So it's like a health tea sort of thing. It will be like, I don't know, skin purify. That's what it says. So that's what we expect it to do. So then we got the Skin Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract, and it is made in Italy, and it looks fantastic. And okay, so then the next item is what we got is, oh, this is like the eyebrow pencil. I usually buy these all of the time in a beauty shop that's well known. I can't really think of its name. It's like Superdrug, but it's like a Superdrug, but they're so cheap, and they work fantastic. They work better than the leading brand in brow pencils. I think it's the eye lure that is the expensive one, and I normally go for this one all the time because it works a lot better than eye lure in my mind. It does. Right, okay. So then we got this, which is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. Oh, I love Balance Me. They're one of my favourite brands, so I'm looking forward to using that. Can you see it? There it is, there. So that is that. Oh wow, we got a brush, and this brush is by, what are you? You are by Lola? Can't pronounce it. But it's an eyebrow brush. So there we go. And then we got the chocolate bar. Is this a minted milk chocolate? We got a minted milk chocolate bar by Montezuma's. There we go. So at least you will be able to pronounce it. It looks really nice though. So that is it. And then we got a, so I'm sure I've had this mask before. I am positive I've had it. There we go. So It is a Brighten, Hydrate, Skin Republic, Prep and Glow Skin Republic Face Sheet Mask. It's dermatologist tested, and it's a radiance boosting mask. And so there we go. And it is cruelty free, so it gets a thumbs up already for that, because I love a cruelty free product. I'd much rather have cruelty free than any other products. Right, so we are just going to probably put these back in the box. So that goes in, because I'm not going to be able to open that and have a look at it. I'll probably maybe do a video on it, I don't know. So it just says this month's heroes. We'll go back to this because it tells you about the mask. This month's heroes is the one Lulala Cosmetic Fab Brow, which is just here. So we got that, and it says how a statement brow can change the look of the whole face. Use our angled eye brush with your favorite cream powder products to fill and define your brows. Super soft bristles and angled tip which will help you achieve all of your beauty goals. So this is £4.99, and it's by me at pinkparcel.com. So it's in their shop for that price. And then we got the Skin Republic. This is it. And this one is £5.49. It just says apply the lace sponge sheet mask before a night out and leave for 20 minutes. It's been designed to prep the skin before makeup. Application for a smooth finish that lasts longer, made with hyaluronic acid, collagen and pomegranate to hydrate, plump and brighten. There is lots of things that I like in that. There's hyaluronic, I love that, and a pomegranate is really good, and I am super looking forward to using that. That is good, and it's what you need this time of year. And okay, so then the next item, what did we get? Is this is the eye lure pen. Not the eye lure, it's Techniques. So, but this is going to go on about the Balance Me. So this is the eye serum, and this is an eye serum which is £16 for 15 mils. We got 7 mils, so this is worth £8. So that is really an expensive product, but I will show you anyway. So we will do it on this hand. Comes out like that, and it has an amazing scent. It's like a pear drops is what I get. That is exactly the scent I get. It's like pear drops. I don't know, it's just unusual, but that's the scent I get. So if I can get this over to you, it's like a pear drop scent. Oh, it's gorgeous. That I'm looking forward to using that. That will definitely get used. That is lovely. Then we're gonna get so how to use it. Just says massage into the dry skin after cleansing, before applying a moisturizer in the morning and at night. It's eucalyptus and lavender oil. I could definitely get that, but it just smelled like a pear drop sweet. Don't know why. But spruce, it's made with spruce and nut and Kanuka oil. It diminishes blemishes, soothes inflammation and balances the oiliness without over drying. So good stuff. That is fantastic. Right, so then it's gonna go, I'm gonna go overleaf. No, it's not got anything really on this little gadget here. So I'm trying to find some information. Oh yes, it has. I've got it, found it. Right, it says how to apply this. It says apply to skin, massage and remove with warm water and a face cloth. So this is a cleanser. So I will just show you this, because just see how it's going to go. This again is cruelty free, gets a thumbs up. So I like that. Oh, it looks like a thickish paste. Yeah, it is. So we'll just put a bit on there for now. Oh, I can smell the coconut. It has a really strong smell of coconut, and it is really hydrating. It's getting like, it's really a good moisturizer. So I can definitely tell you that. It smells like coconut cream. If you've ever had coconut cream in your curries or stuff like that, it smells exactly like that. So, and yeah, so that is that, and that one is £30 for 150ml. I don't think we've got 150ml now, we've got 30ml. So yeah, that would be actually quite expensive. So if it was 75ml, it would be £15. So it's again around about the £6 mark for that. So pretty decent. Right, so then the next item we got is this, which is, I've already had one of these and used it and I love it. It is the full size eye pencil, and it's like £1.99. They really are cheap and really good. I'm super happy I got that because I needed a new brow pencil anyway. So it is the Technique eyeliner pencil, and it is really a good one. It's also got the smudger on it as well, which is, I use that all the time. And also you also get a pencil sharpener. Fantastic. So that is well worth that. £1.99 for that. So we also get this, which is a tea bag. This is like, you can get these from, these are £2.79 for the box of 15, and it's buy me at drstewarts.com. So there you go. Then we got this, which is a mint chocolate, milk chocolate. So this is a milk chocolate minted with peppermint crunch. So let's just have a look at that. I can smell the peppermint, but then I can also smell coconut. It's coming off my hand. That's why I can smell coconut. Right, so it looks like this. And so just want a small bit. I can taste the peppermint. It is really, really nice milk chocolate. It's gorgeous. So, because I'm on a diet, I'm probably going to give my son that, because I don't want to spoil my diet that much. Right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!